Hello, tiny friends. Welcome back to TinyKeyHoleMinis. I'm Jolene, and today I'm going to be doing another TEMU product haul. Now, TEMU has reached out and asked me if I would like to do another product collab with them, and I said, sure, why not? If you like shopping on TEMU, or you never have and would like to, you can download the TEMU app, and you can search or enter my special code DPE7953. All users can get a $100 coupon bundle. I'll put all the information in the description box below. So the first item I'm going to show you is a miniature, and these are actually 1/12 scale. I received 6 of these, and I thought I was only getting 4, but I read the description wrong, and that is perfectly fine because I'm going to need every one of these. So the more, the merrier. And these are metal candlestick, and it comes in silver or gold. Now you can get a 4-piece set for $10.41, and you'll get 2 of each, or you can get a single silver for $2.49 or a single gold for $2.99. When I chose the 4-piece set, I thought it was a 2-piece set and I was getting 1 of each, but it ended up being 2 of each, and then I purchased 1 of each singly. So I'm going to need these. The candles are some sort of plastic cut pieces, so I'm probably going to remove those. You can see that there's a good amount of glue on them, so I'll probably be removing these candles off, cleaning them up, aging them a little bit, and adding new candles. But they are 1/12 scale. They're pretty nice. I like that the candle holder is metal. So if you need any of these type of candle holders or candle lights, you can find them on TEMU for a decent price. I'm going to be showing quite a few items in this haul for a specific project coming up. Okay, so during my last collab, if you saw my last product haul from TEMU, I purchased this little tiny ball jointed doll. And I did state that there was a bigger one as well. And I purchased her this go round. So this is the bigger one. She is too big for my scale. She's just over 9 inches, and she was $7.49. And I was thinking I would do like a mother and child type of project with both of them, but I don't know. I may hand her off as a gift to my son, who would probably love to customize her. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep her. If you purchase one of these dolls, you want to just make sure that their joints work great. They're a little stiff in the beginning, but she's pretty great. She does have some weight to her, and I was surprised about that. So she's not a cheap, hollow type of doll. She does have some weight, and she measures a little over 9 inches. I was hoping she would be at least, at the largest 7 inches. I could work with 7 inches and be perfectly happy with that, but she's a lot larger than that. Now, if I still wanted to go with the mother and child idea, that's still a possibility because this little tiny one can still pass as her child, her baby. But I don't know, we'll see. I'm thinking I still might pass her off as a gift. Okay, tiny friends. Now, when it came down to my very last dollar, I was trying to spend every penny, and I found this 4-piece set for 64 cents. And oh my goodness, these are too cute. They're miniature milkshakes. Now, I was thinking these would be great as little giveaways in my shipping. They're so stinking cute. And you get a set of 4 for 64 cents. I wish I would have found these sooner. I would have ordered a boatload of these for little gift giveaways with my purchases. So you get 4 different colors. 2 have a square base, 2 have a round base. The sprinkles are a little bit big for this little size, but Nevertheless, they are still so adorable. I'm probably going to look out for more of these because I'd like to give these away with my packages. Okay, so the next item is also another miniature. This is a two-piece set for $1.99. It's a door handle with a key. And there is a different option of another style door handle, but I got this doorknob, which is just the typical round doorknob. These are metal pieces, and you do get, I believe, color options as well. I picked these specifically to mold them. I really just wanted to mold that key. And then I thought, why not try and mold the doorknob as well? So I only picked one because that's all I'm going to need if it works out. Okay, tiny friends, this next item is one of my favorite pieces. It is embroidered trimming. Now, this is a lot bigger than the one you see in the Josephine house as a runner upstairs. This is 1 yard for $2.29. So you get 1 yard for $2.29. Look how gorgeous this is. These are perfect for runners, rugs, area rugs. I love these embroidered trimmings. This one measures 3.5, and I believe the one in the Josephine house is about 2 inches or so. This will be going in the project with the candles. I love this. This is gorgeous. And they have tons of this type of trimming that you can pick from. It's got a nice weight to it, and it just makes perfect rugs. I love this stuff. So I saw this one and thought, yes, definitely. Here is another yard of lace trimming for $1.79. And this will also be going in the same project. Look how lovely this is. Now, I cannot remember if there were other color options for this, but they have a huge variety of lace trimmings, different fabrics. I love going through their collection of laces. Here is another one, and look at how much you get. This is 10 yards for $1.79. 10 yards for less than $2 of this tiny lace trimming that can be used for multiple purposes in the miniature world. So it is a very good place to find this type of trimming for your projects for a very good price. All right, so this is a mold of bats for $1.99. It's got several different size bats on here, and I'm going to be needing this for that same project. The thing I like about this one is it's super flimsy and flexible. So you just lay it face down, roll it back, and you pop your clay right out if you're using clay in these. The flimsier the mold is, the better to just be able to face it down and roll it back and pop out your clay. Here is another mold, and this one was $10.99. I'll be using this for the same project, and it's assorted columns. So there is a couple like Greek goddess columns on here, and then a couple plain columns that you can create. Now, if I need them to be longer, I can just double them up, mold two pieces, and just kind of fuse it together to make it as long as I need it to be. I thought these were going to be a lot bigger, but I think they're still going to work out. So I'm still going to try to use these. I prefer to use a soft polymer clay in these types of molds, but you can use resin and other types of clay as well. I just have really good success using a soft polymer clay. Okay, so the next item is a pack of shipping boxes. This is a 50 pack for $10.16. And I chose these ones because of the little window on them. I really love them. This measures about, I believe it's 3.25 by 2.25. Let me see. Yeah, roughly around 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. And then it's just under 1 1/4 in depth. And I realized I probably should have put one together for you guys because they're super simple to put together. They're already pre-folded. You just fold along the little seams there. And I thought these were super cute. They're going to be perfect for my little miniatures that go out in the mail. And TEMU has a large variety of shipping products for all your shipping needs. And I love going through their collection to get everything and anything that I need for my shipping. So bubble mailers, boxes, stickers, tapes, labels, cards, thank you stickers, sets, uh, little thank you gift bags, all kinds of stuff that you can imagine for your shipping and small businesses. And you can get large quantities of little gift giveaways, which I love because they have several different things that you can choose from or come up with your own ideas and put things together. Okay, the next item is some molding putty. This is 8.82 ounces for $13.49. So $13.49 for some molding putty. You just simply mix equal parts of A and B together, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to demold. Now, this says medium level, and they did have other options, and each level was a different color. I'm not sure how well this works. I'm not sure if that's a good price for molding putty because I've never purchased any before. I'm also not sure what the difference is between the different levels, but I'm going to give it a try. Okay, in my last product haul, I purchased one of these liquid chrome paint markers and it was a silver one. I went back for more. So I got another silver one, a gold one, and a copper one. They work so good. I demonstrated it in the last haul and I love them. So they are $2.99 each and they have different colors to choose from. Depending on what type of material you're using these on, they have a really nice finish and they have a mirror chrome finish as well. So if you're looking for some of these work really well. Just keep in mind that the finishes will vary according to the material that you're applying this to. Okay, so next up are miniature pumpkins. This is a 10-piece bag for $4.49. They are resin pumpkins, and they did give me 10. So I did get 10 in this round. They do have a little bit of discoloring on them, I'm assuming for aging. Um, I like them. They are really cute. They just need a little more detailing, a little more color. I thought they were going to be different faces, but they all seem to have the same face. I was hoping that they would have at least 2 or 3 different type of faces, but I really don't mind because they all look like Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So they're super cute. They just need a little more detailing. Fall time is upon us. If you're looking for some cute little pumpkins, you can get a 10-pack of these. Okay, for my last item, I picked a 20-ounce metal tumbler. This is a Goth Hello Kitty for $13.49. This is actually going to be a birthday gift to my daughter who collects Hello Kitty and seems to have some sort of obsession with these type of tumblers. I don't have any more room in my cupboards for these, and I keep telling her to stop bringing them home or get rid of the older ones that you no longer use so you can make room for the new ones. And yet here I am getting another one for her. But they seem to be super cute, really good quality. You get the straw. There are several options of this style Hello Kitty in different colors, different style dresses. So there are many options to choose from. And I've seen other types of their tumblers and they look pretty nice. They definitely have a large selection and they make great gifts. Okay, tiny friends, that is all I have for you today. That completes this product haul from TEMU. I hope you have enjoyed it. If so, please don't forget to hit that like button and give it a thumbs up and let me know what you thought about some of these products in the comments below. I'd like to say thank you to TEMU for reaching out to me and offering me this opportunity to share some of these products with you all. I hope you have seen something that you would like, or maybe something that you would like to try, or maybe something that you didn't know they had. If you're looking for something specific or a special gift for a loved one or a friend, you can find all the information to these products in the description box below, and also a link that you can click on. As always, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for your support. Please don't forget to hit that top bell notification button to be notified every time I upload a new project so you don't miss out. In my next video, I will be coming back with another episode of the Pet Cemetery. So if you have been waiting for that project to come back, that is happening. And I will see you, or I should say, you will see me in that video. I'll be sharing a fun and easy, inexpensive DIY that I came up with on making some trees. So if you need trees for your projects, you might want to tune into that to see what I came up with. So until next time, tiny friends, you all have a lovely day, and I will see you all on the mini side. Bye bye.